Okay, now before I open this box, let's take a trip down memory lane. Let's go through all of the giveaways and contests that I've entered since 2014. That's when this all started. So I think it was 2014 or 2015. I won the iPhone 6 Plus 128 gig. That was back when John Ledger was a CEO. He was the one who was doing the contest, and I won. I still got the phone, but I got caught in the rain, and it's pretty much done. It's dead. Yeah. I thought I could salvage it, but yeah, I just keep it for sentimental value. The next giveaway I won, I got a 55-inch TCL smart TV plus a HD antenna, $350 value, no big deal. See, what other giveaways have I won? Oh, OnePlus, they did a giveaway on Instagram. They were giving away the 9, the 9 Pro, the Nord N10, and the Nord N20. Unfortunately, that was probably the worst giveaway I won, because that Nord, that processor, I don't know what the hell they were thinking, putting a Snapdragon 470 processor in a damn $100 or $200 phone, and they're still selling it on their website for like $200, more than that. I think, hell, even Metro's still selling it. That's just don't buy that phone. It's the devil. It's Amityville. Do not do it. If your phone gets hot and you on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, yeah, that's not the phone you want. See, what other giveaways have I won? Well, the now defunct Anak Fire, I won the A9 ANC earbud a couple of weeks before my 7th birthday? 30? Yeah, 37. Yeah. See, what else? Oh, Edifier Neo Buds Pro, won those. Tozo A9. No, not the A9. Hold up, here they go. I got them. Tozo T9. Won these. That was this year, actually. I won these this year. I be winning stuff. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Recently, Tribid Flybud. Tribid's doing a giveaway. Won these. Tribid Move Buds H1. Tested them out. They sound pretty good. Another giveaway I won. Tribid did another one. $100 Amazon gift card. That money's about spent. And now, this one. This is the new giveaway. This is the one on this one. So these were delivered yesterday morning. I don't know what kind of, they must have used like Bezos rocket or something, because these came straight from Linsoul. This was a contest between Linsoul and Hawaiian Bad Boy, Bad Guy Good Audio. They collaborated together to make, or actually no, it was Yanyin and Hawaiian Bad Boy. But Linsoul, they were the ones doing the giveaway, the contest. So yeah, I was like, oh man, you have no idea how bad I wanted to open these up this morning. You have no idea. But yeah, I saved it. I saved it for y'all. So let's see what we got, Sears. Holy moly. What is this? Okay. I don't know what the hell that says. Look at that. Look at this. Flying Bad Boy. I need to get me some stickers. I need to get some swags. I gotta talk to some graphic designers. I gotta get me some stuff. Okay, now this is a big ass case. Good. Is it a Nintendo Switch in here? Jesus Christ. I know it's IEMs, but geez, this is something else. I don't know if I'm feeling that. I like the blue, but I'm not feeling this purple. This is kind of ugh. Oh, but okay. Let me stop playing. Let me get this box out of the way. Oh my goodness. Is that what the IEMs look like? Okay, what? Okay, we're just gonna set that. Whoa. Okay, so Hawaiian Bad Boy, whenever he does his reviews, he's always got on like those jeweler gloves. Like, even when he's handling the box, I'm like, bruh, it's the box. Like, if you want to do that with the IEMs, okay, fine, but it's just a box. Oh, you sure? Like, yo, this dude be treating these IEMs like they diamonds. It's like, yo, these princess cut, bro. Okay, so these are the silicone tips. No. Nope. These remind me of the Spin Fit. Was it CP3 50 are the ones that come stock with the blonde BL03. Yeah, no. 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 Nope. Spin fit it is. Nope. Nope. They got them little like little pylon cones. Nope. 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 That's an L. I'm not using those. Nope. Yeah, they're gone and already forgotten. Now, IEMs. I'm trying to remember what the hell they were called. I remember I won the contest. I know they were called, the name is Yanyin. I don't know. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, that's Flying Bad Boys running on there. These look nice though. Okay, at the air vent up top. Sheesh. Look how it sparkles. Look at that. That's pretty. I like the cable. This is a heavy duty looking cable. Oh, and it didn't cheap on it in the Velcro organ. Oh, they didn't cheap out on it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Hawaiian Bad Boy. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Okay, now. What's in here? That's what I need to know. That's what I need to know. And plus, I'm going to have to Google, like, what these are called. I know the name of the company is Yanyin. I know that they collaborated with that Hawaiian Bad Boy, but I don't know the brand name of the maybe they'll tell me in here. What's this? This a credit card? Yo, I got a credit card, bro. No, not really, because it ain't got no magnetic strip, but let's do something. I don't know. Yeah, I might unlock some, I don't know, some perks or something. Okay, yeah, this is all in Chinese. I can't read Chinese. I know no Chinese. Oh my God, it's not, okay, I thought I'd flip over on the back and it would be like in English. Wait, here we go. How to wear, schematic for wearing, safety tip. I don't need that. Credit card, okay. IEMs next to, what is that? A couple fingers of scotch. I guess that's authentication. What else? What else is in here? Ooh, airplane adapter. Nifty. I only seen those in like one more era headphones and periodic audio and the big stereo jack. Ooh, okay. Okay. Let's look at this cable. It's reminiscent of the Theaudio cables. Like the Legacy 2, the Legacy 3. I like it. I like this cable. I'm touching it. I like it. Oh, okay, let me see if this is 2-pin or MMCX. Please don't be MMCX. They're not coming out. I'm pulling on it. Oh my God. We got another Excalibur moment here. Wait a minute. Do they move? They're not. Wait a minute. They are 2-pin. Okay, I can see pins. I was about to say, like, what the hell? Well, one thing about it, once you get these in here, they're not going nowhere because I'm pulling. They're not MMCX. They are 2-pin, but these are in here good. I'm trying to like pull. Yeah. Yeah, if you look closely, look inside, you see it. You see them lines right there? That's the pins. They in there good. Did they super glue these things on here? I can't get these off. I'm pulling. I don't want to tear it up because I know these things are expensive. Okay, I gotta look up what these called. I gotta look it up. Yanyin, HBB, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, I gotta see what these are called. Okay, damn, he's got another collab with Triple Win. Hell, Hawaiian Bad Boy, he don't stop. He just be out here. He's just like, I'm gonna do this collab, that collab. And him and Critical, they're like neck and neck. Yeah, I got to figure out what these are called. Wait a minute, here they are. I found them. Yanyin, Hawaiian Bad Boy, Moana. This is it. These are the ones. 2 electrostats, 4 balance armature, and 1 DD. Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh. You put about 20 Roblox sounds right there. Yeah. These are it. The Moana. I was thinking Moonlight because I know this symbol is Yin-Yang. I knew they were Yin-Yang because of the symbol, but I wasn't sure what the name of them were. Okay, let me test out the passive noise isolation right quick. Winter chicken dinner. These fit like a glove. Ooh, man, out the box too. Yeah, they better for $650. They better fit out of the box. Okay, on in my A52S. Okay, let's see how they sound. Hold up, let me go through. Oh, wait a minute. this little thing on the front of the box, it says, I don't know if you can see that, it says Moonlight. But these gotta be the Mohanas. I mean, they look, yeah, these are, yep. These are the ones, yeah. Yeah, that's the ones. Yeah. Yep, there we go. That's them. That's them. They sound, maybe because I've been testing IEMs and earbuds for so damn long. This is interesting. It's kind of like, you know, that girl you had a crush on in high school, and you finally work up the nerve to talk to her, and then you just find out she's not that smart. I mean, I'm not trying to, you know, dump on them or anything. I mean, they sound nice. It's just like, you know, for $650, I was expecting something more. I don't know. I don't know. I was expecting, I don't know, angels and harps and flutes. I mean, they got pretty decent soundstage. I'll say that. I mean, just all first impressions alone. I mean, I got these. I mean, they fit good in the ear. They got a nice shape to them. I like this shape. I like the look of them. I like. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh, they did their job on these. Yeah. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, these filters ain't getting clogged. I bet you these ain't getting clogged. I bet you ain't no earwax, no dust, no sweat or whatever that's getting up in here. Oh, let me put the spin fits on here. You already know how I do. There. Okay, now they're $700 IEMs. Now they're $700. Let me see. Oh, yes. Oh, like a glove. A glove. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Much better. And they come with a chin set. Yep. This is some heavy duty, yo. Hawaiian bad boy. He said he ain't playing no game. Sheesh, man. Okay, now let's play 1999. Let's see if the spin fit. Yeah, that's just, let's see. That's all it takes. Going through these is very important. People will spend $100, $200, $300 on some IEMs or some type of piece of tech. There's something that goes into your ears, and you just am on a box, and all it took was to change how they sound. Was just replace these. You don't gotta buy spin fits. You don't have to buy spins if you don't want to. Just go through the tips. If they don't work, then you buy spin fits. But yeah, spin fits. Now that's much better. Do 2000 party over. It's at a time. Oh, tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. Hey. Yeah, these are good. These are good. Okay, now I'm impressed. All it took was just a little tiny adjustment. That's all it took. All I had to do was just replace the silicone tips. Yeah, these little cone tips, these ain't gonna work for you, boy. These ain't gonna work. See, that's all it took. Now they sound great. They got the deep insertion. I mean, they fit in the ear, but they kind of felt uncomfortable once I inserted them in my ear deeper. But yeah, now they feel. Yeah. Now they went from $650 to $700. That's all it took. That's all it needed. Yeah, these. Oh, I can't wait to review these. Oh my God. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. I'm like stardust. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, Hawaiian bad boy. I see you. I see how you do. Well, I think I watched one of your videos earlier this morning. You said something about when I paused the video, you like a neutral tonality. I can hear that, but I hear also a slight bass boost. I'm hearing some bass, especially down in like deep in the low end, like the sub bass. I'm hearing that on 1999. You know, since that's like, you know, one of Prince's songs that has a bass line, I can hear that. But I can also hear the instrument. I can hear guitars. I can hear Prince. I can hear Wendy. I hear that black dude. Then I can hear the guy who was wearing the scrubs playing keyboard. These are good. Is it still too early to tell right now? This is just, you know, this is just me going off the top of my head. You know, I just got them. I just unboxed them, and this is one hell of a presentation. Like whoa, like a whole little like. This is like a dope kit, man. This is like, you know, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your razor, you know, your cologne, your tweezers, like dope. You put the whole IEM in there. So yeah, this has been the unboxing of the Yanyin HBB Mahina. Hawaiian bad boy, I see you. I see you. Respect your hustle. I respect you. Be sure to leave a like, comment. I read them all. Share this video and subscribe if you like what I do here. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.